version of Metasploit is fully automated. I mean, no questions asked. It's got a lot of tools that the regular free version doesn't have. But I mean, you can, from what I learned, I mean, you can do with anything with a Metasploit framework. So you can create your own tools inside of it, or your own exploits and such. But I thought this is pretty neat that there's actually a commercial version of the Express, I mean, of the free version that you can buy and use. It is up to you to determine if it's worth it or not, though. Okay, so now we will go and do a demo. It's going to show you some of the basic components within the MSF console. I mean, your search, your command, I mean, your payload, setting the options and such. It's actually going to demo a regular attack that you would use on the machine. I thought this would be the best to do because it'll actually show you how to use Metasploit in attacking somebody, and show you the different components of it as you're attacking it, and show you how automated it is as well. Alright, so now I want to show you what I have set up here. We have the Windows XP machine, Windows XP Home Edition, it's SP1. I got my IP config here, showing my IP for later use. Then this is my backtrack. So first we want to do MSF console. This will bring up the console for it. Alright, it's gonna take a while. Well, not really a while, but about 30 seconds to a minute to load. Because it has to load all the exploits. I mean, it's fully automated, loads everything up so you can use it. Here we go. So it's a different picture. Alright. So we're in the framework. So first thing we can do, I mean, we can just search. We can actually search for a random thing. You know, we can type in Windows, search Windows, and I mean, it'll take a while because it's gonna pop up every Windows exploit. See, it actually does the payloads and everything with Windows in it. I mean, it search and it's got it up there. Let's go back down. You can search Adobe. And it'll bring up everything with Adobe. That's what's neat about the search feature. It can bring up anything you ask for. Bring up everything with Adobe. Shows when it was created, you know, what rank it has. The rank is good. It tells you like these excellent ones, they will work automatically because it's social engineering. But a lot of these, I mean, you don't know if they'll work because you don't know if their computer is vulnerable to it. That's why you have to do vulnerability scanning. And you know, now you see I have Nessus down here. I actually done one on this machine. See, you got a bunch of highs. I mean, you mainly want to look for the highs. I mean, there's lows too. This is a total. You got high. Dang, I ain't got no lows in here. Alright. Highs, and the one we're going to use is this one. But see, there's a lot that you can use, especially security updates and the buffer overruns. These are completely just done. The system is promised, and you can do whatever you want to with it. You know, it says exploitable with Metasploit. See all the information about it, how it's exploited, and what you want to see down here is this SVE. Let's see what you're gonna do with this is go back here, and instead of typing in a random word, you're actually going to type in the code for this vulnerability, 533. And that's going to search for the exploit. There we go. See, this rank is good. See, it is a buffer overflow. I mean, it is an overflow. So next thing we want to do is to use it. There we go. So now we actually have this exploit set up. So we want to show what payloads this exploit uses. So now we got several different payloads, and that's what the MSF payload option is for, that you can use outside the framework, is when you can actually add a payload into here. You know, your own payload that you wanted to use. So you got several different ones. I mean, you got the regular bind, you know, the bind shell, binds command shell. You can add a user. You know, you can do a simple execution. You know, like you can execute the you know, the directory to see their whole directory, or I mean, you can execute add user, or anything. Shut down their computer. I mean, it's whatever you want to do. Yeah, meta interpreter, and here's all the reverse as well. Here's the VNC inject. I thought that was pretty neat. Actually install software on the computer, VNC software, and then when it connects back to you, it has a whole GUI that you can interact with. So for today, we are going to use the regular generic shell. Shell bind TCP, I think that's right. Shell bind TCP. Probably better to copy and paste it. Yeah. Make sure you have the right thing. No, my bad. You set payload. That's what I did wrong. There we go. So now we gotta show the options. See here, what you want to set is whatever's capitalized. You see R host and the current setting is blank. That's what you have to put in, and that is the target address. Everything else is already set. So what we want to do is go back to the XP machine and then put in the address 192.168.220. Set, not use. Our host 192.168.220.132. Alright, and if everything is done right, all these settings, if everything is set right, then we just type exploit. Oh, well, there we go. Sometimes it takes twice to work. But anyway, now we're actually in the Windows XP machine. We're actually compromised our system. We can do anything we want. I mean, just for general purposes of showing you. You know, this is the actual IP address. I mean, I actually typed this and it brought it up. Here's the directory. The whole Windows System 2 directory. System 32. I mean, you can do various other things to it if you want. I mean, we basically got control of the whole system. You do Control C. Import session, yes. Alright. Last thing I want to show you is, I mean, here's the help command. You know, you can look at here and it'll tell you, it'll give you some general information to do various different things within the Metasploit framework. And to exit this, you just type exit. Coming back to the regular shell. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I hope you enjoyed the lecture, and I hope you learned a little bit more about the Metasploit framework. Thank you for your time.